Hello everyone, I'm Vishali Man and today I'll be talking about how I learned during the virtual mode for my PBC assignment, that is professional banking communication. So let's start with how did I learn online? Yes, there are multiple channels through which I learned. For example, if I have to name some of them, one would be the topmost would be Zoom meeting, then comes Google Classroom, then Zoom Google Meet and HubSpot, e-newspapers, LinkedIn, and yes, online brochure makers and many more. For example, like we have to take the classes every day, so yes, Zoom tops the list. Every day the classes are conducted through Zoom meeting, and even if I have to present online, then also I use Zoom meeting. Like right now itself I am doing it through Zoom meeting itself. So yes, and if any assignment is to be submitted to from our side to the institute, it is also done through Google Classroom, and they also make the study material available to us by Google Classroom itself. So yes, it's again the second most extensively used app by me during this online learning phase. And as far as Google Meet is concerned, yes, the project guide and all our project mates meet only through Google Meet. And multiple softwares are also used by us these days. For example, if we have to present something in say one page data informer is to be presented, so what should we do? Like we search for online apps that are there for this. So yes, online brochure makers and many such apps are being extensively used by us these days. And not only this, we got to know about one more app, that is HubSpot. What is it? It's basically a customer relationship management software. Again, a new thing which we learned. And yes, earlier we used to read our newspapers through physical newspapers, right? But these days only e-newspapers are there. And yes, LinkedIn has also been a major source of learning for everything. And as far as being in touch with the professionals is concerned, yes, we do it even now. Also we do it extensively through LinkedIn itself. And as far as the skills learned and institute's contribution in that is concerned, yes, it has been tremendous. And well, if I have to name some of the skills that I have learned, one of them would be talking with the camera. For example, like nobody is sitting in front of me right now also, but still I'm talking as if people are listening to me. So yes, it's one of the skills that I have learned during this. And now I'm comfortable with online working also. And not only this, rather I got to know about multiple channels through which we can connect with each other, and like Zoom meeting, Google itself, Google Meet, like, right? So yes, there are multiple things that I have learned, and if I have to name, then yes, these are those, I mean, some of them. And as far as the institute's contribution is there, yes, it has been tremendous. All the things that I have learned, I would personally say that it is only because of the institute. The assignments that they used to give to us, the projects that were only all the projects that were assigned to us, I have learned all these things to do that only. For example, like we have to do the survey, so again I use the online channel to get the forms filled and all this. And as far as the other assignments are concerned, yes, I have done each and everything online only, because right now it's not possible to meet everyone and physically to go out there, it's very risky and all this. So yes, all the things that I have learned through online are good and great. I would like to continue this in future also, and hope you're safe and doing well. So thank you so much for hearing and have a nice day. Thank you.